How do you defeat an enemy who is unknown? How do you win a battle if you don't understand the rules of engagement? To win an invisible war, you have to fight it with a vigilant force.
With these custom-made sneeze shields, and what they do is they put custom logos so you can brand your business and stay safe, keep your customers safe, keep you safe, keep your employees safe. This is 24, this is 36, and then we got the 48 one over here. This is American-made acrylic sneeze guards for COVID-19. Protect yourself, protect your employees, and it's made in America.
The chips are down, and you need a win. Just send the signal, and we'll be there. Restoration Army.